Hi guys, welcome to this quick tip on Onshape surface model. Today I want to illustrate a quick scenario that happens most of the time. You can see this block of body that has two fillets. Let me suppress, see what happens. These are two bodies. These are just one part that has this boss extrude. If you fillet this edge and fillet, that's normal. Let's see what happens when we fillet this edge. See what happens. Weird types of surfaces formed. This one is a straight line. You can see there's a curve here that is formed. Let's now illustrate to you how to eliminate this, how to form this type of surface that is continuous. See now this one is continuous. If you looks continuous, this one. Let me illustrate how you can now form this. First thing we need is a sketch on top plane, circular sketch. I want this edge to be coincident to that edge. I want this edge be coincident to the center point. Then I want this origin and this one to be vertical. My sketches are fully defined. Then I want us to split these affected faces, select faces to split this face, and this face using a sketch. We have already done that. Then I need to split this section here. I need a 3-point plane. Just select the 3-point, then select your plane, like that. A plane is formed, though you can't see it, but there's a plane. Then I need to split the inner surface. Therefore, select split parts or surfaces. I'll need this face. I want to split this face using my plane, like that. Then I want to select the inner faces, all of them. Delete a face. Don't heal, leave open. You can see now we have an opening after deleting that section of a face. Then I need to fill. You use the fill surface. Fill. You can click selection. I want to use equal, like that, to save my time. Add selection. Then select everything to be tangent. Then say OK. You can see now my surface is continuous from this fillet to this fillet. If you select curvature visualization, you can see now how the surface is continuous from this side, continuous to this side. Let me go back to the shaded. If I go back to the fillet 2, rod here, let's see what happens to the curvature. You can see there's a discontinuity. There's a very sharp discontinuity. This one changes from this to this, very sharp. You can see this surface and this surface are different, but after fixing becomes continuous. Smooth transition, smooth transition. Oops, something has happened. Yeah, that's how you fix a patch. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.